Okurijera abahango mu bya sayansi enseri y'omukahango ako kucendera k'omwika gwa oxygen kandi bimwe aha birikureeta eki n'okucwecereza eby'obuhangwa okurabira omu kutema emiti okwosya kasasiro n'abantu kuginaga ahi bareeba n'endiijo mirimo y'abantu. Ekitongore kya SETI ekirikwebemberwa Dr. Engineer De Wild nikiza kukwatanisa na gavumenti okutandikaho tekinologiya ey'okuhinduramu kasasiro ebintu eby'omugasho kitari kugireka okucwecereza ensi.
We could keep the heat increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. We already know that last year it was 2.3 degrees rather than 1.5 degrees. So all these calculations and forecasts that they have made turn to be negative on the side of producing oxygen.
Project egi neza kuba ey'okubanza omu Africa yona kandi bimwe omu birikuza kukorwa n'amakara okubyara emiti n'ebindi kandi neija kuba eri ah'itendekero rya Ibanda University.
In general terms, it says CO2 emissions. I happen to call it production of oxygen because I think it expresses better the effort that you are making because you are giving oxygen basically to the rest of the world.
We already have the patents for these, so we are not running around looking for how to do it. The question is how to implement it here. And that's where I come in and we come in. So the point is that there are three dimensions to nature contributes to people. The first one is the broader picture of mitigating climate change. That is considered NCP1. NCP2 is then to ensure that in the process of mitigating climate change using biochar and other products of the technology that is bringing is really protecting biodiversity.
Funders abakoza kugifundinga igi project neza kuba nekora ahabya aku waste manage kukureba kasasiro especially ibicupa mwen kasasiro ya buri kikacona ekwetwa kasasiro nziza kuba ntukora kasasiro ejo ntugihindura kugikora mu amakara ninge kweta biochar.
Omukurinde by'obuhangwa abahango nibagira ngu omu project egi yonka terukumara bitubura omuntu n'abaine kujejumbiramu
nangwa nimwe batandise kugikozesa cyo kubanza basemeye ko abantu bejumbiramo baroku byara emiti eyitu eyaburizo y'obuhangwa ebizuma imiti kurugamo embazi emiti eriku yamba kwatitaka
omugandi nkomuringo gumo gwo kutungura eby'obuhingi omu mashomero n'ominyeto ab'ekitongore kya AVC bakwatanise n'abebembezi b'eby'obuhingi n'oburiisa muri Shaka Bushenyi municipality babire nibarambura ebyabeegi ba St. Kagwa High School barikukora omukonjera omutindo mu by'obuhingi n'oburiisa ningashi value addition.
We realize that the young people are really innovative. We have so many challenges that people are facing out there in the agriculture sector and then business as well. But we have somehow failed to come up with innovations that address these challenges.
Because the youth, they like quick things. So things to do with money quickly. They don't want this dish of 10 men, one raw cabbage, now grow ABCD, and then you take the market and you have money now.
If you put a product on the market, can it compete with other commercial products available? For example, those who are making pesticides, you have a lot of pesticides on the market. If you took yours to the market, can it compete?
Abeegi bashangirwe nibakora incubator ningashi ebyoma by'okwatuza enkoko okukora emibazi y'okwita obukoko ebijumisa hamwe na n'ibindi.
I had my hen. I decided to measure the temperature for the hen from the day 1 when it started brooding up to 21 days. So I knew the temperature that they are required from the first day up to the last day.
See where to improve so that we can be the best when you go for national competition.
Ishomero rya St Kagwa High School Bushenyi ritorinwe kwetaba mu mpaka zihanga ryona umworeko gw'ibyobuhinji n'uburisa habwa amashomero ga senior ugurukuza kuhindura mu Kampala. Amakuru agagasha kwa Timothy Mushabe na Michael Atwachire.